PayPal has shut its office in Malaysia as a major aspect of the rebuilding of its client support groups. The workplace, situated in capital city Kuala Lumpur, it was home to a group of client administration specialists that took into account clients crosswise over Asian countries. Presently, its duty expected by different workplaces, which incorporate areas in the Philippines, China and India. The move is gone for combining a scope of various workers at its workplaces to help mix a scope of representatives under a similar rooftop. But, the conclusion of the workplace doesn't affect the PayPal services in Malaysia. However, the company affirmed the workplace will close this year in an announcement. The organization underlined its endeavors to change influence staff into new occupations both inside PayPal and with different organizations. Moreover, PayPal, the main organization to pioneer digital transactions. However, it has fallen behind in Asia and other developing markets as mobile digital payments and informing applications have ventured up.